Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a button in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit or go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to add your button on. This is my website in Google Sites, and let's say that I want to add a button. Simply make sure you are in the Insert tab. And here, scroll down to the button. This is it. Click on it. Name your button. For example, download my ebook. And here, insert your link. It can be a page, an internal link, which means an internal page, or an external link. Let's connect it, for example, to this contact us page. So I will call it contact me or to contact us. Click on insert. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Let's connect it, for example, to this contact us page. So I will call it contact me or to contact us. Click on insert, and just like that, your button is added here. You can resize it like that. You can select between designs from field, outline it, simple text like this. Let's start with filled, and you can also center it from here. Let's center it manually. You can also make it filled. Yes, fill in all the shape. You can also edit the button from here. And now let's publish this button and see the result. And this is my button, contact us. When I click on it, it sends me to this contact us page. And this is how to add a button in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.